Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Meche Bett&win. I want to tell you guys concerning this survey. I don't know how many of you have heard about survey before. This survey is online survey that you take your studies online. You take questions they ask you through survey. So once you give them a good feedback, you get paid, and you get paid in dollars. So the minimum they pay for survey is $1 and upward. So computer survey studies comes from $5 upward. So this is the apps that is needed for this survey. The only thing that you need to do is, after downloading all this app here, this internet is a Samsung browser, then Firefox, Chrome. Once you have this browser, that's all. Then download Gray app. This work task is another different earning app that pays you through by trekking. As you are walking with your legs, as you are walking, as you are exercising, it will be counting. Those counting will be bringing points. That point, once you reach the level they need that is needed, they will pay you. They will pay you $5. Once you reach the target for the minimum they pay for this work task is $5. Once you reach that point that is needed, then that one is a different one from this survey I'm talking about. So for the survey, this user testing app, we download it. Then Mysterium VPN, we download it. Cloud SIM, download it. LinkedIn or Fiverr, download it. This is what is needed for the survey. So once you get all this app, you are good to go. So what you now do is, you first of all create your Gray account. This Gray account, from it you get your UK bank account and US bank account. So during the sign up for this Gray, what you now that is needed is any government issue ID or driver license, anything, any government issue ID. You can use it to create your account very easily. So once it's approved and verified, you are good to go. So that is the first step. Then the second step is create your PayPal. So once you create your PayPal, and that PayPal, you have to purchase UK phone number. That is what will be needed to create your PayPal. And the PayPal, you are not downloading PayPal app. We are creating it from PayPal website. So you create it with PayPal website. While creating it, you have to make sure VPN is available. So it's connected. So your VPN will be connected and the location will be on United Kingdom. So you now create your PayPal. So after creating PayPal, what you now do is the site for the survey. You create the site, take your practice test. All this is included in my course fee. So once you start the course, I will teach you step by step on how to start on this survey. It's a step by step. So when creating the survey site, I will show you the location you need to use while creating it and how to set it up, everything. Then after creating the site, we are good to go. Then what is needed is phone, any type of Android or Apple, for any type of phone. So far is a smartphone, that's all. Then if you have computer, that is perfect, because most survey that come for computer are more high paid. Most of the computer survey studies comes from $5 upward. Some come with $8, $10, $15, $20. So computer, if you have computer, you are just good to go on this survey site. But if you don't have, you can start be using your phone to answer. So as time goes on, if you raise money, you can buy any amount of laptop or computer, anything that you can afford to buy. If it's a small one, you buy it. But if you don't have, if you have a friend or brother or sister that have it, they can assist you in taking the survey on their computer. I'll tell you how to show them, maybe if they are not around you, maybe they are in a different state, I'll show you how to go about it. So all this is what is needed to start the survey. So once you download all this app, you chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527 or the number showing on your screen. It's the same thing. So chat me on WhatsApp for it. This is Meche, Bett&win. So this is all about survey. It's all about survey study. So all that is needed is once you purchase your subscribe for your VPN and Crowd SIM. Crowd SIM is the one that you use to purchase your UK number. That's all. So after doing all this, you will now start your survey. Then this user testing is the app. So once you download it, it's the one I use to create for your survey study. It's a user testing. So after downloading it, but this Mysterum VPN is the one that the subscription for it is 17,500. So one person cannot pay for it. So but 5 people can share it. 5 people can share the VPN subscription. So because it's 17,500 for monthly subscription. So but 5 people, they give them limit of 5 people to share it. So you should not exceed 5 people. And if you even want the VPN to be more stronger, 4 people is okay. 4 people is okay. But because of you want the money to reduce for you, can share it with 5 people. So if you share with 5 people, that is a 3,500 each. So 3,500 multiplied by 5 people is 17,500 for monthly subscription. But if you are capable to use it only you, 17,500, no problem. But the price for the Crowd SIM to purchase a UK phone number, I can't remember the price. I think either $4 or 3 point something dollar or either $4. That is the price to purchase the UK number monthly. Once you open the app, you see the price there. Then you just need that UK phone number and only to use it to create your paper and get verified. Then after doing that, I will now teach you how to link your Nigerian number to your paper and set it as primary. So I'll tell you how to do it. Then that UK number, you don't need it again, because you'll be wasting money on paying for monthly subscription to keep that UK number. Because if the month reach and expire, it didn't renew it, so that particular UK number will be gone. You need to get another different UK number. So, but all you need, if you have already linked your Nigerian number to your paper, you don't need the UK number again. That's all. You don't need it again. So there's no more wasting money paying for UK number again. So that's all. Once you download all this app, you'll chat me on WhatsApp. I'll teach you how to start the survey and start earning in dollars with survey studies. It's not hard. Their questions is not hard. All they need from you is to give them a very good feedback. Give them a very good feedback on all this, because through your feedback, a very good feedback, they use it to know, or like all these products that come out in the market. Maybe some question can be like cars. They'll ask you, for example, say this Mercedes-Benz, that's 2022 Mercedes-Benz. What is your experience on it? How is it? Does it consume much fuel? And does the engine make noise? And all this, they'll ask you. So, what do you think we can do next when bringing out another Mercedes-Benz in order for us to improve on our cars? So these are, for example, that is the kind of question they'll be asking you on different things. So you need to give them a very good feedback. Give them exactly what they want. That's all. And you'll be get paid in dollars. That's all. That is all about this survey. So don't rush the questions they ask you. You have to calm down and give them a very good feedback with a very good English. No go they speak broken. No, broken is not needed. Just give them a very good English through your feedback. So as you answer, as you give them a very good feedback, more high paid survey will be coming to you. That's all. So if you have computer, you are good to go. You have computer and phone, you are good to go. Android phone or Apple phone, you are good to go. Because you'll be earning for phone side, you'll be earning for computer side. That's all you need to do is connect your VPN while taking your survey. That's all. And the location you are going to choose is United Kingdom. That's all. So it's not hard. So in case any of you is interested on this survey studies, you chat me on WhatsApp. I'll teach you how to step by step on what to do. So this app, I'm showing you this app for you to download them. Then this work task, I will teach you how to set it, because before you download this work task, your VPN must be on before you download it. If not, you will not get paid. You have to download it and make sure location is United Kingdom and the VPN before you download it on Play Store or Apple Store. So this work task is another different earning app that pays you by trekking or as you exercise your body, especially those people that go to gym. Use this app to make money while you exercise. Very simple. All right, guys, this is Meche Bett&win. In case you need this survey, you're interested on this survey, so you know this is January, you can start with this survey and use it as your side hustle. Use it to make money while you're doing your job. It can't stop you from your job. So it's something that just take few minutes, you go back to your job. Anytime you have studies, you take it, highest few minutes, you are done. You pass your study, you go to your normal job and be waiting for them to pay you. That's all. So they pay you through paper. So from paper, you now move it to Gray. From Gray, you now withdraw it to your local banks in Nigeria. First Bank is there. Any of bank, whether First Bank, Zenith Bank, UBA, GTB, all those banks, all of them is there. You see it on the list. You withdraw your earnings. That's all. So the VPN is only monthly subscription and you share it with 5 people. So you're not only person paying for a VPN. So that's all. So if you guys are interested, you chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. This is Meche Bett&win. Will not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And also click on that bell notification so that you'll be notified